answer is A, 1/4. Our next question. A man and his wife are both heterozygous for the sickle cell trait. The likely percentage of their offspring that will either be carriers or sickle cellers is what? Now, this is another crucial thing that needs counseling, but that's not even where we are going in this question. They said a man and his wife are both heterozygous. That means, and for sickle cell, this is the genotype for a sickle cell patient. Then this is for somebody that does not have. This is for somebody that is a carrier but is not expressing it. AS for the carrier. This one is for the sickle cell patients. Sickle cell. Then this one is for non-carrier. Does not even have it. Now the question is saying that a man and his wife are both heterozygous for the sickle cell trait. So it means that the man and his wife are having AS genotype. Now they now ask us that the likely percentage of their offspring that will be either carriers, that is, that will be either this, that will have either AS or SS. That is bringing our mathematics idea of probability in here. So let's do it. Let's do a cross between them. We have AA, AS, AS, then we have SS. This is the likely genotype of the children that they will have. But they are now asking, what is the percentage of the offspring that will either be a carrier or sickle cell? So a carrier or sickle celler. This "or" is plus in mathematics, the idea of mathematics. The percentage of a carrier, the carrier is this and this. So 2/4, that is 50%. Then the percentage of somebody of the offspring that has sickle cell is just 1/4. That is 25%. So 25 plus 50 will give us 75%. So the percentage of the offspring of this couple that will have the sickle, that will be carriers of sickle cell, or that will be sicklers, will be, the carrier is 50%. If they say carrier alone, then you write 50%. If they say sickle cellers alone, you write 25%. But since they say sickle cell or carrier, so you are going to add the percentage together. So we have 50 plus 25, which is equal to 75. So our answer there is 75, the option A. The next question says, if the pairs of alleles for baldness is given as BB, a female carrier will be denoted by. Now, this question has ruled out 50-50. You know what you are doing. I said earlier that you have XX as a girl or a female, while XY is a boy or a male. Now, and you have options A saying XEY. So that tells you is a boy. That option is out. Don't even consider it because that's a boy. And the question is asking a female carrier. The next one is saying XBB, SB. So that is one of the options you are considering. SB. Then the next one is saying SBY. Y is male chromosome. So that option C is also out. Then the next option, the last one, says XB. They said if the pairs of allele for baldness is this, so a female carrier, somebody that is carrying gene for baldness, a female, will be which of this genotype? So the answer is this. Look at this, just here. So the answer is D. X capital B capital small b. The next question. A feature associated with the Y chromosome in humans is what? I said Y chromosome is talking about male species. So what are the features? What feature can you find associated with males? A says long eyelashes. We have that in males. B says prominent fingernails. C says facial hairs. And D says enlarged breast. So facial hair is men that have hair, Abi. So that is the answer. C is facial hair because it's talking about the males. The next question. Paternity disputes can most accurately be resolved through the use of what? When there is a dispute, oh, Mr. A is the father of child C. Mr. B also says I'm the father. Or the mother is saying is this person, and there is a dispute over who the father of the child is. What can we do to resolve that dispute? A says fingerprinting. B says blood group typing. C says DNA analysis. D says tongue rolling. A, B, and D. Fingerprints is unique to everybody. There is no other person that has a fingerprint as yours. It's very unique to you. So you can't use that to determine who the father of the child is because my father's fingerprint is different from mine. Blood group typing. Well, my parents might have the same blood group, so you cannot use blood group to determine who the father of the child is. Tongue rolling. Some people can roll their tongue while others cannot. So that is not also a criteria to be used to determine the paternity of the child. But DNA analysis, the DNA you carry is that of your father. So once your DNA, the DNA of somebody is different from that of the father, then they know that this person is not the father of this person. So DNA analysis, option C, is the answer. The next question. In a Mendelian cross of red and white varieties of 4 o'clock plants, F1 generation expresses incomplete dominance by having flowers which are, this one should be registered in your head if you really know your Mendelian law. The cross red and white varieties of the 4 o'clock plants. So, and it expresses, the F1 generation expresses incomplete dominance. So what color of flowers will that have? Red plants and white. This is red plants and this is white plants. So when you cross it, looking at this offspring, this is what we call the F1 generation, the first layer generation. This offspring, they are the same, and none of it is like either of this. This is red plants, red flowers, this is white flower. So it tells you that definitely this is another color. The options you are given: white, A white, B red, C pink, D what color. From that cross that Mendel did, he told us that we were all pink. So pink is the answer. Red and white. The ratio, when you bring your color, basic nursery color, when you color mix red and white, you have pink. The next question. Identical twins inherit their genes from who? A, different eggs and sperm. B, the same egg and sperm. C, 2 eggs and a sperm. D, 1 egg and 2 sperm. We have talked about identical twins and then fraternal twins. Those ones are the ones that are not identical. Fraternal twins obtain the 2 eggs that are fertilized separately. So a sperm fertilizes this one, another sperm fertilizes this one. So they are different. They are called fraternal twins or unidentical twins. Fraternal. But we have another kind of twins that it is the same, is 1 egg that is produced and a sperm